small children. Today, let's start with chapter number 16, that is Save the Environment. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about the environment, what is environment, and its components. We have biotic and abiotic components. So, first is environment, the natural world in which human beings, plants, animals live along with the different non-living things and resources. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Environment कहते हैं. Our survival depends upon the protection of our environment. So we have two components, biotic and abiotic. Biotic आपका living component है और abiotic आपका non-living. So what is biotic component? So living things in environment such as human being, animals, birds and insects and plants, living components, what they need nutrition to grow. So most living components except plants are mobile, which means they can move from one place to another. What they reproduce or given birth to young ones, all living components grow and die. देखो जितने भी living components है वो क्या करेंगे, ग्रो करेंगे, डाई करेंगे. हम हैं अभी, देखो हम छोटे बेबी थे, फिर थोड़े और बड़े हुए, फिर यंग हो जाएंगे, एडल्ट हो जाएंगे, देयर ओल्ड एंड देन वी विल डाई. So we have abiotic components. Along with biotic, the non-living or abiotic components very important. Water, soil, air, mineral, rocks. They support the living things. Clean air and clean water are the basic need of the being. And it's very important for the health and for the survival. Next is pollution. Our environment is facing threats due to human action. It is getting polluted day by day. The process of addition of harmful or unpleasant substances into air and water or soil, land is called pollution. The substance that pollute the environment. जो भी substance क्या कर रहा है? Environment को pollute कर रहा है. And the person that pollutes the environment is called polluter. Smoke or waste material are the example of pollutants, while human beings and factories they are the example of polluters. ये क्या होता है? Polluters होते हैं. Now next topic is kinds of pollution. So there are different kinds of pollution. First is air pollution. So the mixing of harmful gas such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur along with dust particles. What is causes air pollution? Human activities, industries and vehicle. What are these? These are the main agents of air pollution. Natural causes क्या है आपके? एक तो volcanic eruption हो गया, forest fire, ये natural cause हो गया. ये आपको नहीं पता कि कब हो जाएगी. So these are the natural purifier provided by the environment. What they absorb carbon dioxide and what they release oxygen. But excessive deforestation hampered the process of purification of air in a dangerous manner. So ozone layer is an important factor in stopping the harmful rays of the sun to reach the earth, which can cause many harmful disease, skin problem and even cancer. It is depleting very fast due to overuse of CFCs, that is chlorofluorocarbon and many other pollutants. Big holes in the ozone layer have been observed by the scientists. So some of the important steps that can be taken in the direction of curbing air pollution, where they are listed on the next page. Dependency on the burning fuels is reduced. Clear energy resource like solar energy, wind power should be harnessed. Vehicular pollution should be controlled by using cleaner fuels like CNG. More and more trees should be planted. Burning of plastic waste should be strictly avoided. इससे क्या होता है? Emission होता है poisonous gases. Water pollution. When the water sources get contaminated, is called water pollution. Water is polluted due to human activity. Industrial and household waste are released into the water. जिससे क्या होता है? Pollution होता है. Other activities like washing clothes, bathing animals in rivers, in rural area, what they cause? Water pollution. Polluted water is harmful for living organisms, चाहे वो aquatic हो, चाहे non-aquatic हो. So immediate steps are required. So ways to stop water pollution. जितना भी chemical waste है, all chemical waste should be treated and they should only disposed of at the designated places. Disposing of dead bodies and other human waste directly into rivers should be discouraged and prohibited. Bathing or washing clothes in the river must be discouraged as soaps and detergent leave too many harmful chemicals. Soil pollution, we cannot survive without food, but the kind of food we get may contain poisonous substances that is transferred. जिसको हम transfer करते हैं from chemical fertilizer, pesticides, insecticides, chemical waste or industry. When we consume food, it may cause mainly deadly disease, right? So few important steps should be needed to take immediately. There should be proper. आपको एक proper wastage disposal बनाना है, right? The use of plastic and polythene items should be minimized and they should not be buried under the ground. Recycling of these products should be promoted as much as possible. Excessive use of chemical fertilizer, herbicides, pesticides should be discouraged. In place of these, organic products should be used that do not pollute the soil and they do not contaminate the food chain. More and more trees should be planted. जिसको आप minimize करते हो soil erosion को. Noise pollution. Industrial areas are more prone to noise pollution. The pressure of noise in the atmosphere is called sound or noise pollution. Human beings can hear the softest sound with intensity of 50 decibel, which is harmful for the human ear. The noise pollution is mainly caused by vehicle, aeroplanes, loudspeaker, machines, loud music. The excessive noise pollution is also potential threat not only for peace and tranquility, but our mind and for our health. It can lead for heating troubles, blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, anxiety and other stress related disease. Immediate steps जो आपको लेने हैं जिससे आप noise pollution को minimize कर सकते हो. We must not play music very loudly. We should not increase blaring loudspeaker in public functions. We must discourage the use of excessive honking of horns while driving. Some people use pressure horns in vehicles. Fun के लिए, but it is not legal. It is illegal. Now, waste management. It is important today that we take sincere initiative to contribute towards curbing pollution. Waste can be classified. दो तरीके के waste होते हैं, biodegradable and non-biodegradable, for the purpose of recycling. It is important to understand the 3 R's theory. The R stands for reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce is we must try to reduce the use of non-renewable natural energy source, fossil fuels to the minimum. It would help in reducing air pollution. यह करेगा air pollution को कम करेगा, reduce करे. Reuse मतलब we must try to reuse the manufactured products as possible. जैसे आपने कोई new item consume करनी, इसको ज़्यादा एनर्जी की नीड पड़ती है रिसोर्सेज की, जिससे पॉल्यूशन हो रहा. सो द पेन्स वी यूज टुडे आर मोस्टली नेवर रिफिल्ड. वंस यूज आप उसको फेंक दे दो, राइट, लेकिन आपको रिफिल करना चाहिए. So they should be kept in mind that they were made use of plastic which would cause pollution, and when buried and production of new ones too would cause pollution when they manufacture. Now recycle. We must try to recycle as much as we can. Most of the recyclable products like paper, plastic should never be disposed of carefully. They should be disposed of as a recycling waste, right? So check your answer. You have to tell the process by which waste material is treated and used is called. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.